Yeah. I'm about to see if I got some potatoes. Since it's dying, the heat is tearing it up. Let's see what we got. Look how dry it is. Lord have mercy. One potato in there. Just one. I know I got more than that. One. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. I'm going to replant that one. Let's see. Oh, it's more down in there. Jesus, they so little. They is so little. Maybe I'm picking them too early. What y'all think? I'm just anxious and curious. Oh, they so little. Let me see. That's it. Maybe it is too early. That one. Yeah, I'm gonna put them back. Put these back. I mean, they do still got roots on them, so it's possible they'll grow. But this one, it gets me. It is so little. This is so little. It's cute. I want to bite it, but I'm scared. I'll put that one back in there. So we're gonna see what this vine got up under there. I'm still curious. I want to see. Oh, we got a little. Oh, we got some in there. One right there, right there. That's a root. Right here. Right there. Let's see. Maybe I should just take the old roots off and replant them. What y'all think? That's a big one right there. The only big one. You see, look like we got a lot on the other side. Y'all look, I grew potatoes. I need them bigger than that though. I think I'm gonna plant them back in. Ew. That one bad. Ew. Oh, they gotta go. Yeah, it was too early. But y'all, this come from planting 3 potatoes. This come from planting 3 potatoes. Y'all, I am so excited. But I think I got them premature, so I'm gonna put all them back. Cause they still got roots on them, so they could be planted back in. But wow, it's amazing how 3 potatoes can multiply like this. It's amazing. I think I'm gonna take all these off and just replant them. What y'all think? It don't even matter because the leaves are dying at the top. So let me just put them all back in. Then of course it's a lot of little babies. I'm gonna put. I don't want this one. This one look foreign. I'm scared of that one. But of course I'm gonna get these little babies. Yep. Cover it back up. Got one.